Okay, folks. So today we're tackling the dreaded task of changing your AC filter at home. Not exactly saving the universe, but trust me, it can feel like it. Why? Because not doing it can cost you big bucks in repairs. Let's dive in. First things first, you got to locate that AC unit. It's probably hidden in a basement, attic, or utility closet. Um, uh, the AC filter isn't a secret artifact, but finding it can feel like a quest. Keep an eye out for a metal grill or slot. Now, before you turn into a filter changing superhero, power down the system, find the switch or circuit breaker, because let's be honest, nobody wants to jolt themselves into an emergency room visit. Safety first, folks. Once that's handled, open up the access panel or slot cover. It's typically held by clips or screws. Have a screwdriver handy. Common pain point, struggling with stuck screws. If it's rusted, WD-40 is your friend. With the panel open, slide out the old filter. It's likely covered in months of dust, almost tempting to say it could start its own ecosystem, and feel accomplished if it doesn't crumble upon touch. Take note of the filter size. Head to your local hardware store or hop online to find a replacement filter of the same size. Remember, filters are not one size fits all. Misfits are nuisances equal to wearing shoes that don't fit. Look for a MERV rating of at least 6 before sliding in the new filter. Check for markings indicating airflow direction. Align these with the arrows on the AC unit. Miss this, and you might as well use the filter as a decorative wall piece. Pro tip, keep a flashlight handy to see these marks. Carefully insert the new filter into the frame. It should slide in like a well-fitted glove. If it resists, check your alignment again. Avoid bending the filter. It's not yoga.
Yeah.
A damaged filter equals 0.0 benefits. Secure the access panel or slot cover. Tighten those screws or clips. This is where many people skimp, resulting in a loose panel, and you don't want that to rattle like a ghost whenever your AC runs. Power up the system. Flip that switch or circuit breaker stepped back like you're charging an Iron Man suit. And listen for startup sounds. If it sounds smooth, congratulations. You've saved future breakdowns and reduced energy costs by up to 15%. Set a reminder on your phone to change your filter every 3 months. Seriously, it helps maintain performance and air quality. No one wants their house to smell like a forgotten basement. Essential for anyone dealing with sniffly noses or asthma. And there you have it, folks. And changing an AC filter isn't a superhero's task, but it makes you one in your household. And kind of like having a back cave without the back gadgets. Keep that air clean and Wallach's fuller. Until next time,